Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Management Courses. In Management Courses, first presentation, I would like to discuss about the questionnaire. When we are conducting research, so we need to develop a questionnaire. And believe me, it is not a simple task. There are a lot of efforts, there are a lot of things which we need to keep in mind while designing a questionnaire. So let's discuss how to make a questionnaire. But before starting this, we will discuss what is questionnaire. So we can say that questionnaire it is it contains a set of questions which is being given to the respondents in order to get the responses, and these responses or whatever the information we get from the responses are very important from for our research. So whatever the information we are gathering, it should be relevant information, and the responses which we have recorded, it should be according to our research work, or we can say it should be according to our research objectives. So in this video we will discuss about the role of questionnaire play in the research process. What is the criteria of an effective questionnaire? The third one is basic questionnaire administration methods. And the last objective is to develop and implement a survey questionnaire. So what is questionnaire? A questionnaire, we can say it is a survey instrument because we are using it to get the responses, and it contains a series of questions which are designed to elicit information from respondents that relate to the research question, or we can say that is related to the research objectives. In other words, we can say that questionnaire, it is a structured instrument because it is done in a scientific way. We validate our questionnaire, we do the reliability test, and after this we frame the question. So it is a structured instrument, and we try to get as much as possible the unbiased responses. That is, there should not be any biasness in our response gathering, and it ensures that all the relevant information which is being gathered are recorded, or whatever the information which is relevant for our research are recorded appropriately. Now in the next point, if you will see, the questionnaire must fulfill 4 basic tasks. So what are these tasks? The first one is to collect the appropriate data that meet the research objectives. So in this I will explain you with an example. Like we can take an example. I'll explain you with an example. For example, our research objective is to find out how effective is Sanjeevani Booty. We all know that the second point is make data available for analysis. Whatever the data, whatever the responses we have gathered from the respondents, it should be available for the analysis. We should be able to analyze it. We should be able to find out the information out of the responses. Then the third point is to minimize the biasness. We should ensure that there should not be any biasness in the responses which we are collecting, or we can say distortions, which is being caused by poorly worded questions and improper survey administration. So the wording of questions, we need to be very careful while framing the questions or while drafting the questions, because if it is poorly worded, then it will lead to biasness or distortions. There are certain double meaning words which could lead to the biasness in the responses. So we have to avoid these kind of words. Now the fourth one is make the questions varied and engaging to eliminate the respondent fatigue. We should make the questions interesting to the respondents, and those questions which will engage the respondents so that they should not feel fatigue or they should not have boredom level while answering the questions. After framing the questionnaire or after drafting the questions, we need to validate it. So let me tell you what is the meaning of validating. Validating is we will consult the experts or who are the expert in the field in which we are conducting our research. For example, if I am conducting research in human resource management and have drafted a questionnaire on performance management, then I'll validate it. After validating, we need to do the reliability of the questionnaire also. That is, how much reliable our responses or whatever the information which we have gathered are, whether we can rely on these data, whether we can rely on this information or not. So this is related to the reliability of the questionnaire, or we can say the reliability is the credibility of the questionnaire. That is the propensity to believe. That is, the series of questions which we have designed in our questionnaire, it elicits the information from the respondents that is most appropriate, that is unbiased, and we can believe on those responses. So this is the reliability. That is, we are doing the reliability.